going on? It's McCain. We are here at the 4th annual RMTuned practice street shootout. We got a whopping 6,400. If you want to spin it around, 6,400 people. No, not 6,400. 64 people, $100 a piece. That comes out to a whopping $6,400. Nice trophy. All the big names. I want to say Antoine Brown is going to get in it. We had KTR win it a year or two ago. Michael Hollis won it last year, I want to say, but it's going to be real interesting. So stay tuned, enjoy the footage.
So here comes. Hey, all right, guys, listen up. We have some people that didn't make it. If you did not get an entrance and you want to get in, single file line over here. Yeah, you want in?
Hey, let's see Victor and Raul go.
All right, everybody, welcome back to the 4th annual RMTuned practice street shootout. 64 of the batters in the land. I'm pretty sure Antoine Brown might show up eventually. I don't know. He was supposed to be. But we got some fantastic people like Boozy GT right here. And what's that? 3 openings. Okay, I just got word we got 3 openings. So if you want to get in, no double entries. No Barrett. Okay, my bad. So, to resume, this is how things are gonna go. Everybody put up their $100.
There's some 20s in there, but yeah.
There's some 20s in there. I'm a little disappointed in some of y'all. Some 50s in there, but oh well. So, everybody put up their money. Just in a few minutes, we're gonna chip draw. 1 through 64. After the 1 through 64, if you get 1, you're the very first out. If you get 64, you're the very last. Just be patient with us.
One races 2, 2 races 3.
I'm gonna pass the mic over to Barry and let him explain it.
All right, so we're doing 4 16-car fields. This ain't no pro ladder, but we have 1 more spot. Now look, instead of 1 versus 16, we're making it easy. You got number 1, you're gonna race number 2. You got number 63, you're gonna race number 64. We got a road out there, the math ain't that hard. You're 17 through 32, you're gonna be Group B. 33 through 48, you're gonna be Group 3. And 39 through 64, you're gonna be Group 4. There's 1 chip in there, grab 1, hang out. We're gonna call them 1 through 17 first, or 1 through, Group A first, Group B first, second, all that stuff. You get 2 shakedowns. We're all going to shake down all at once, and then we're going to go into eliminations. We are full right now, so thank you. Really, hey, before we get started, no bullshit, thank you to Brian Tooley Racing out here for bringing all this stuff, just so we can be a bunch of delinquents. Come over here. We were throwing dice. If you want to throw dice, it's got to be off of the red carpet. That was orders yesterday. But thank you, Brian. You want to say something out here to everybody?
No, I would say thanks to my son Michael Tooley for driving all the way to Texas to pick this up. That's what I would say.
Yeah, appreciate it. Hey, diesel ain't cheap. Diesel, hey, the further away you get from Texas, the more expensive it gets. But I'm ready to get started. So when these guys too are over here trying to, this is Shakedown Nationals, I guess. All right.
And to conclude this, special thanks to Notch's Outlet. They, unfortunately, he couldn't make it this year. He did the honors, let us get this whole setup. He said, Ryan, I'm not letting you go to PRI without having this setup. So special thanks to Brian Tooley Racing. When you see this video, let's get this party started.
Jeremy Fail. Nikki Johnson, Jacoby Betts.
Gotta go on red.
Call Stephen. How you guys know?
Hey, let's see Victor and Raul go.
I'm gonna let you know if I get you now. I can't spare you. I can't spare you.
Can't nobody be saved now.
Can't nobody be saved. Nobody. Not even bit the back. They're not loud. Nobody can be saved. Nobody.
We are ready to draw. Come and get it.
Oh, we're drawing.
I'm hiding. Come on your board. Come on in.
God, I got the wrong spot for this.
Hey, they come this way.
Sorry.
Who's grabbing my butt? God dang it.
Ladies first, get out of here. Get your. I would make a comment.
Hang on.
It don't matter who it is. Everybody.
No, I'm pulling it right now.
Oh, I'm getting the last shit. I'm over. I never want to get that shit, guys. 6,400, boy. I'm stop playing. All right.
Glory.
Everybody take a look at this cold hard cash. $6,400. Cold hard cash. No checks, no 1099. I'm not getting in trouble for saying that.
Hey, also for all y'all wealthy individuals, I'm just a broke dude from Texas, but y'all wealthy individuals want to throw some more money in on top and make this thing $7,000, $7,500, whatever. Get $100 out your pocket, throw it on top of the pot, show what's up.
Here's the first one, South Georgia.
Hey, SGP said right there. I'm just a blue collar man like yourself.
It's coming back home anyway.
Yeah, it's coming back home, but it's going to be 65 back to me. A20 Performance, we thank y'all. Anybody else want to step up? Probot Todd's in for $5.
I want loud shit. I hope I can.
Let me. Oh, that feels like Lyle Barnett right there.
I don't give a senior citizens discount.
I want Travis and Loud.
I'll take it.
Hey, I only threw one.
Off the trailer. I ain't even sat down yet. I want him off the trailer.
My man said I don't want $5. Throwing dice. Hey, that's what we're talking about, boys.
Let me get 56.
Hey, VIP section at Brad's.
That's not how it works, though.
I'll laugh so hard. You'll win because I lose. Oh, okay, 64. All right.
Got the last two. Got the last two.
I'm gonna show these guys. I'm gonna come pro mod racing next year. I've been quiet. I've been chilling. I ain't been doing all these shakedowns. I'm gonna show them what's up. Off the trailer. How many Teslas y'all got? How many Teslas y'all got?
You going back into the bag and drop one and get the others?
Yeah,
I'm watching you, man.
Damn.
55.
You in the same group as us too.
Oh, I like
One of
that.
us making it out
You
alive.
said you wanted mine.
Oh, I like that. Oh my God, we in the best group.
It's a bunch of hitters in our group.
This whole group is the group I want to beat. I'm running 23. We're in the same bracket. Hey, we're in the same bracket though. I'll get you at 4.
Tell him he's 11 pairs too early to get out of there.
Oh, he's gonna get you, boy. He's on your ass. Hey, Randy,
Everybody good when it's free. It don't count. We'll see who got that dog in them when they back against
You
them.
can't be first, you can be next.
That's what it come down to.
you better stop talking like you're gonna do something. You better stop
I'm
all
out
that.
first round.
We might all, we talking a lot, we might all be going home first round. These young kids gonna come do something to us. I'm over it.
I already drew.
All right, that's it. All right, wait. She said she's off the trailer in his ass. So Jesse James and Derek S. The People's 484 champ. The People's champ. This is it. One winner, one blue. Oh, shit. Hold on. I need a pen. Wet, boys. Already some light games going. Got him off the man right there. The fugitive in the house.
Hey, if you have chip 42, please bring it to me.
Chip 42.
All right, now it's Ryan and Haley. Y'all ready?
I stole your pen.
Huh? Whatever, that's fine. That's some creepy shit, but whatever. Well, hey, yeah, the hot tamale over here. Yeah, number 42 is.
All right. You better lose.
Yeah, you better. Hey. Yeah, that doghouse better be comfortable. I'll tell you from experience.
Already. Don't give in. Already.
Who gonna bump?
Anytime, guys.
I'm not gonna do it.
Yeah. Where's Jamie Luke when you need him? Just. Yeah. Oh, they both just. Ah, there you go. Oh. That's going to be a long, quiet ride home. Group 4. Group 4. I need a better pen. This one sucks. Oh, my bad. Group 4. Group 4. All right, yeah. Xavier Mendez and Jason Flores.
I like Harvey for 20. I like the right line for 20.
What did I say? Mendoza, excuse me.
I'll take the right line for 20.
All right, let's get it. Pinche cabrón. Hey, that's a former champ just down right there. All right. All the way from Texas, we got the homies. It's all, hey, I got 100 on it. It's Hollis and Jimmy Dale.
Got 100.
That's what I said.
Got 100.
Yeah.
I like Jimmy.
Yeah.
I got my.
Hey, one of these guys has paid the other guy like $30,000.
In a race, I don't get to race it.
Yeah. Oh, get it out your ass, huh?
Damn.
There we go, baby.
Ain't nothing you can do about it. Ain't nothing you can do about it, dog. Hey, Hollis. I don't like how you set us up yesterday. He fucked you up like 10 times yesterday.
All right. I lost my Jimmy hat again. Brandon and Oscar.
Hey, Brandon's hat.
Oh, okay. We're gonna skip that one.
Anybody else got chips?
Alex and Brian Tooley. All right. So look, if you have a 30 under 30, we're gonna probably have to run them at the very end of the round. So I mean, we got a lot of racing to do here. Should be fine.
Oh, y'all fuck.
All right.
You ain't getting no practice yet, did you?
No, I'm good.
What group?
Oh, he's off the trailer.
All right, so that's not a Brandon, that's an odd and Oscar. So if Brandon and Oscar want to get up here, let go of the button. Oh, my bad. Yeah, I hit Penn Griffey Jr. too hard. I'm sorry. Brian, nope. Austin, Vincent, and Tyler. 52. 52, 54, 56.
Come on, Ty. Biggest pound.
I like the left side.
That's my bad. Just you're next.
That's what. You want another? You want another? 40?
Hold on.
Bet. I like left side.
Bet 20.
Bet.
52, 56.
Is this still practice?
Video.
Small block nitrous for the win. I said, hey, you want some small block nitrous on the slick?
Damn.
Get some.
52.
Ready?
Dang.
That's all good, Tyler. I like the left side. I like the left side. Come on, no love.
Oh, it's getting intense. Brian said, I'll shut this summit down. Oh! Yeah! He said, not in my house. Not in my house. It says Brian Tooley Racing on the top of this bitch. Chip 52. Chip 52. All right. Evan and Raymond. This is the last one for Group 1. Evan and Raymond.
like over here. I like right here for a 50.
I'm good. I like this side too. I like this side.
Oh, big salami.
Don't even celebrate. Evan don't even celebrate.
All right, group two, shake down. Group two, shake down. You don't have to shake.